back here on the Stoker Don channel. Not really doing any work on the car today or anything else. I just wanted to give you a little update on some upcoming things on the channel. We're gonna go further to making the videos a little bit better. I know before I described the Canon camera that I was using, and it's starting to have a few problems, so I started using my my cheap Galaxy smartphone, which the camera works pretty good, but the microphone not so much. And we'll do a little comparison here right now. The Canon camera microphone, actually you hear the engine sound a whole lot better than the smartphone. So here's a sample shot of the Canon. And here's a sample shot of the smartphone. So as you can hear, I suppose it's some artifact of the fact that the cell phone is used for voice communication, so the microphone in it probably emphasizes human voice range rather than full audio range. That's probably how they compress their data, because all that stuff gets converted into data, is transmitted over a cell network, so they got to make that as small as possible because there's millions of people talking on these things all the time. But besides that point, Ted Takes It Apart, who's one of my viewers, suggested getting a set of Wi-Fi earbuds because they actually have microphones in them. So I ordered a set of those, and hopefully that will improve the audio quality of the smartphone. Then we can continue to use that. The other thing we bought at the same time is a few different camera mounts, well, cell phone mounts that we're going to use as camera mounts for in the car. And also a DJI. It's basically kind of a smartphone holder that is actually smart. It has software in it and it communicates with the phone to make so like when you're walking around, it doesn't get all, you've seen plenty of videos where people walk around, and my channel is full of them, where you're walking around with the camera or the smartphone or whatever you're using to record video, and it's all bumpy and jittery and not focused in the right place. So this DJI thing is designed specifically to eliminate that and aid video production. So yeah, on top of that, also ordered a new computer because my laptop is also fairly old. I actually ordered the Canon camera and the laptop at the same time, and I'm pretty sure that was 2015. So the stuff it's definitely time for an upgrade. So yeah, that's what's going on. In 944 V8 news, the big brake kit, they finally got all the parts in for it, and it is in the mail. So it should be here this week sometime, which I can't wait for that. That'll be awesome. Because this thing goes and handles really, really good right now. And the only thing lacking is really the brakes. So hopefully, Scott at Renegade Hybrids, thanks. Hopefully this brake upgrade kit solves those problems. I know he has road raced one of these on the track with this setup that's on here now, which is 944 turbo stock brakes, and he has raced with the upgrade kit that they came up with, and basically these brakes he could get them to fade fairly easily, and required, you know, pumping out the brake fluid after pretty much every race, and getting all the air out of it and everything, and also changing pads too. Apparently you would go through race pads pretty quickly with this setup. And with the brake upgrade kit, he says he's never had the brakes fade, even when he's trying to get them to fade. So that's encouraging. It's important to remember that this car, when you convert it to V8, you no longer have the vacuum booster. Not that the vacuum booster is something everyone needs, because really it's just there to decrease pedal effort. It also makes the brakes, if you're using them hard at the track, makes them a little more vague. So manual brakes are actually better for high performance driving. Non-boosted brakes is what I'm talking about. So I'm excited to keep the non-boosted brakes and have something that actually works better. So that'll be awesome. I have a set of Hawk brake pads sitting over there on the workbench waiting for it, and hopefully we'll get them installed on here in the next couple weeks, and we'll have our video suite updated so we can actually produce some pretty good videos, and that's about it. Now let's go for a ride.